Hello, everyone. My name is Naxisa George, a student of UICT. Um, in Uganda today, there is a significant gap in the skills, in digital skills for both the teachers and the students, hindering the nation's progress in the comprehensive digital transformation. Madix addresses this problem by introducing a pioneering education ecosystem. This is to offer a comprehensive education platform aligned with the Ugandan curriculum, providing interactive resources and multimedia for students. That is to say, videos, notes, digital libraries, digitalized laboratories for students to access. Students are also able to upload different assignments or examinations. They can able to do their examinations on this same platform, and of course submit to their institutions. That is for review and marking. The system offers a collaborative learning between students and teachers, where students can do assignments, quizzes, examinations, access past papers. These are all provided by their teachers. Teachers can also interact with content of other institutions. In addition, Madix provides specialized training for teachers, certifying them in the digital pedagogy to enhance their ability to provide the use of technology. Also comes with a management system for in- also comes with a management system for institutions, schools to to align their operations in a digitalized version. That is to say, the HR management system manages the HR of the school. The finances manages the finances of the school. The students' data, students' information, students' grading and marks, students' reports. All these come within this same platform. The platform also offers comprehensive reports from all the different departments of your institutions.
James Etobo is my name, and I'm going to take you through our digital skilling platform. One of the areas we're looking at in this digital skilling platform, we're looking at metal fabrication done practically, but in a video form. And then we're also looking at tailoring, ICT skills, construction. We're also looking at farming. James Etobo is my name, and I'm going to take you through our digital skilling platform. One of the areas we're looking at in this digital skilling platform, we're looking at metal fabrication done practically, but in a video form. And then we're also looking at tailoring, ICT skills, construction. We're also looking at farming, hospitality. In this case, we're looking at things to do with the catering, the baking, and the cooking. We're also looking at welding, among other skills. Now, to be specific, we have piloted this with one company called Classic Baking and Catering in Uganda, which has started with catering. And in this catering package, we are looking at skills in both cooking and baking. Now, who are our target clients? We're looking at primary schools, secondary schools. These, according to the new curriculum, require that every student or every pupil should have a skill or should undertake some practical skills. In addition to skilling, for us, we think the platform is going to bring together different stakeholders. For example, when it comes to catering, we are looking at having packages for home, that is how to cook at home, how to bake at home. So we shall have packages that families can enroll for. This helps to improve on the cooking quality at home, both for the kids and the adults. But also we have got a platform or a package for restaurants. We also want to improve on the quality of restaurants and hotels, whereby they look at our platform as their library. that in case there's need to check on anything, because we are looking at having both local dishes and international cuisines in these platforms. And this helps, especially the chefs in the kitchen, but also the entrepreneurs in the hospitality sector, to have a better understanding of food and other related services. We plan to work with tertiary institutions. These ones are mainly into technical skilling. um, we believe that the platform is very important for them simply because all the skills that are provided or that that they are providing will be available on our platform. Therefore, they will need to have this given to their students. Over time, there's been a big issue on internship placement, but also access to available job opportunities. With our digital skilling platform, uh, we will have an option, or we have an option where students can be placed in the specific areas of interest. But in this case, students will be able to get it from the entrepreneurs directly. Now, with the improvement, with the improvements in the curriculums at both university and tertiary institutions, there is an element of coaching, mentoring, and this we believe will be the perfect opportunity for us to work with universities to implement this, to work with government to implement this, to work with private sector to implement this. So, in summary, when you look at our digital learning platform, it is a component that brings together the learners, the service providers, but also we're looking at supplies. There has been a lot of skilling and empowerment done by NGOs and government. We believe this will be a facilitator to the efficiency or better performance of the skilling. We are saying that on top of the practical or the physical skilling, these people will love to continuously be mentored and coached through our digital skilling platform. So we call upon NGOs, civil society, governments to come to partner with us to make Uganda a better place. This will improve on the quality of.
We have done a pilot in the different institutions. We have done a pilot at Bugema University, 15 different primary and secondary schools, and the concept has proven to be doable. And so, in our planned market, we want to partner with, we want to work with up to 150 schools, up to 150 primary schools, and also have up to 200 secondary schools using this system. That is to cover up to 50,000 students using the same platform to actually access digitalized content in this on this platform.
In order to make this a reality, we love to work with different people. We love to work with partners in the areas of hardware provision. For this system to work offline, we need iPads, we need laptops, we need sticks, we need tablets. So, access of this at affordable prices will improve on our success rates. We also need partners in the areas of internet provision. We love to have fast internet, but also easily affordable. This will improve on our learning from the user end. This will also facilitate our work in terms of uploading our data into the platform, but also maintaining the platform. Two, we also need companies that are doing skilling for institutions, especially in the areas mentioned above. With these skills on the platform, it will be very easy to market all these skills in one platform. So when somebody goes there, looks at the different skills and is able to pick from the different varieties. We're also looking at partnering with universities, government, and NGOs in certifications, but also in trainings, especially training at TOTs. This will help both the facilitators and the end users, who are in this case students and the community at large. We are sure with these components put together, Uganda will be in a better environment and hence success rates will be higher. I believe it's very possible and we have tested. The platform is what Uganda has always yearned for or what Uganda needed a long time ago. And this is the perfect time to bring it to you. And we believe with your partnership, with your sponsorship, we shall be able to achieve this common goal. But most importantly, these platforms will generate a lot of revenues or a lot of income to both the developers or the directors, but also the sponsors. Now, as long as we have the different stakeholders, the partners coming through, especially to facilitate internet and hardware access, we are good to go.